Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save images from the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it usually opens up in the chats menu, but we have to either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner. From here, we have to tap on settings, and in settings, we have to scroll down a little bit, and here we find the data and storage. We find this button. We tap on this, and then if you scroll down a bit, there's a save to gallery little title. And here we can just tap these buttons, and then it will automatically save all photos and videos that were sent in these chats, either private chats, groups, or channels. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.